I made when I was sleeping? Was it shouting? Was it screaming? Was it snoring? That's right, it's snoring. Do you know why do we snore? Come on, let's see. The muscles of the throat relax and the tongue falls backwards. The walls of the throat to vibrate. The narrow airway gets louder sound. That's why we're snoring. We have so many reasons for snoring. Cold, sinus, overweight, and other factors are causes for snoring. I hope you understand why do we snore. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.